Okay, so like a dummy, I got the drone stuck right there.
It's stuck right there. Right there.
So I'm gonna try and find a long tree branch and get it. Otherwise I gotta climb up there and I don't think I'm allowed. I'm gonna go find a branch. So I managed to get the drone. I survived. I didn't film the whole thing because I was probably not supposed to be up there, but I only suffered a very light injury. Yeah, I wasn't supposed to be there in that capacity, but and probably shouldn't have been flying the drone in and amongst the trees like that, but such a nice day, I just wanted to go and have a look and see if I could actually do it. But the wind was pretty high, and grabbed the drone and hung it up on a tree. So, a lesson learned.